we just lie tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Saturday. Okay, guys, so this video right here is an eye tutorial. It is from Miss Nikita Dragun. You guys said you guys wanted to see it. You've been asking for it, so I want to go ahead and do it. While doing this tutorial, we're going to talk about a couple of things. We're going to talk about a surprise giveaway. I'm not going to tell you when it is. You'll just have to watch the video and find out. Also, we're going to be talking about my reaction on James Marsters, and we're going to be talking about some more of the Buffy verse. I'm just going to get into detail. You guys know I love talking to you guys while I do looks. So let's get into it. But if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring and ding, ding, ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have 2 giveaways going on. The link will be in the description box below. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure that bell is turned on, and make sure you're giving all these videos a big thumbs up. You also can follow me on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100 or Facebook Samantha Sweets, because I love to talk to you. Let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so I've never used this palette. This is brand new. This is a review for you and me, and we're just gonna talk. So pretty much, let's just look at the palette first. Ooh, okay, first off, a living. Okay, I'm gonna have to definitely change my shirt because these colors ain't gonna go with this shirt, honey. So we have this beautiful packaging right here. I love Nikita Dragun. Absolutely love her. I think she is, oh my God, like, oh my God. And a lot of you guys don't know that she is transgender, and who gives a damn? I mean, she is the baddie. She is the baddest. She is amazing. Like, that body, we all wish we could have that body. She is gorgeous. I love her so much. Oh my God. I mean, you can see before and after pictures of her, and yeah, right. Yeah, like, she is absolutely gorgeous all the way around. Such a great person. And I'm so glad to have gotten this palette. I also have her brushes as well. So we'll be using her brushes on this eye tutorial. You guys know I talk you through the eye tutorial. I try to make simple eye looks for you guys so you guys can follow along and copy. So let me show you guys the palette. This right here is a doozy. It's a doozy because, I mean, whoo! I mean, I love it. I love it. You could do so many looks with this. So I don't know exactly what I want to do. I kind of want to play with these 4 colors right here. That would that'd be badass. But then I really want to mess with Matrix, this glitter right here. And then I want to mess with Nicole. I want to mess with Escort. Like, I don't know what to do. So we might mess with these 3 colors. I don't know. We're just going to get into it. It might be like a pinkish purple look or whatever. So today, Jeffree Star is he's doing his new Cavity palette, which is a sister family member of the Blood Sugar, and I'm doing a surprise giveaway. So you're definitely gonna watch that video. So you know what I'm giving away, but I'm not telling you. So watch the Jeffree Star reaction video. You guys asked me to do one. I love doing reaction videos, and I love me some Jeffree Star. So we're definitely gonna do it. Am I gonna get the palette? Hells yes. I haven't even seen the colors, but anything with red, I love red. Like, I don't like red is, like, I never used to like red, but like red on my eyes, thanks to y'all tell me it works for me, and it does. So back to my James Marsters yesterday. So my James Marsters yesterday, that was a humongous surprise. He put his heart and soul into that. He didn't have to, and it was amazing. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this color right here, BB Boy. We got a nice little transition color. Let me get a clean brush. Wow, we have green on this one. We have green, we have blue on this one. Clean brushes here, clean brushes. We need a clean brush. Okay. All right, let's see. So, BB Boy. Woo! Tinkerbell, are you around here, girl? Good Lord. So I've already primed my eyes. I've already prepped my eyes. And it gave us a little tint, which we don't want much anyways, because this is our transition color. So, like I said, James Marsters, absolutely love him. Spike, love him. I just, real quick, I mean, anybody that watched Buffy and Angel, I want to know your question because I mean, I have to know this. Do you feel Buffy and Spike belong together and Cordelia and Angel? Because that's what I feel. I feel Cordelia and Angel and Buffy and Spike. I just, Jesus. The kickback is real. I definitely feel that. I feel like they definitely belong together. I mean, I just feel Cordelia understood Angel better than Buffy did in a weird way. I know, because they're the forbidden love and I mean, just, I don't know. Comment down below what you feel. But I'm going to be honest, guys. Okay, we're cutting through everything right now. I'm not happy. And, okay, I'm happy with my life. Like, I love my life. I got this new job coming. I got a new boyfriend. I fell back in love with Buffy. Like, my son's doing good. He's starting night school soon. I'm very happy with my life. I'm not so happy with my YouTube life, if that makes a little sense. Like, the beauty community is rough. Let's be real. The beauty community is rough. Let's go in with this pink one, Metamorphosis. Yeah, so the beauty community is rough. But I've been watching people with their Buffy collections, people that talk about Buffy, people that talk about other TV shows, and you know what? They have fun. They have fun. I am so excited. You guys have even said it. You guys are like, wow, Samantha, you've been so excited talking about Buffy lately. I have been. Like, it's probably getting on people's nerves, and guess what? I don't care. Buffy is something from my childhood, and it's just bringing me back into all this nostalgia and my childhood, and it's really making me very happy. It really has. I mean, let's face it. I'm just saying, like, if I didn't have COVID, would I have fallen back into my obsession with Buffy? Probably not. Probably not. I mean, I had nothing to do for 14 days, and I got back into Buffy and Angel, and I'm on season 2 of Angel now, and I've never even seen all of Angel, and I really like it. So, okay. We're going to go in with Nicole. I don't know how this is going to look, but we're going to go in with it. I'm excited. So, I just see how... Oh, that's so pretty. Look, it's mixed. Oh, I'm going to have fun. So, I pretty much... Like I said, no, okay, I see the kind of... I see the blue just a little bit. Let me go a bit darker. But anyways, yeah, like I said, they have so much fun, and I really like it. So, it's not like, oh my God, Samantha, you're going to quit your subscription. No, I'm not quitting my subscriptions. But I'm thinking about changing my YouTube into a new universe. You know, I want new subscribers. I want I love my Sweetie Squad. I want a new branch, a new genre of subscribers. Does that make sense? Like a new family of subscribers. Like we have my Sweetie Squad. We have my, always gonna be Sweetie Squad. But we have my Beauty Squad, you know, my beauty family. And then now we'll have like Buffy and movie critics and stuff like that. Like those, that's what I think I'm transitioning into. I could just start a whole new channel. I really could, but I don't know if I have time for that. I don't know if I even want to. Okay, we're gonna go in with Katana because I want to bring out that purple. You guys been asking for a purple look, so you might as well do it. Do you guys have this palette? Do you like this palette? Let me know in the comment section below. I love purple on my eyes. I don't know. I don't want to lose my subscribers now because it's like, oh my God, I don't even watch Buffy did it. I'm still doing Ipsy. I'm still doing BoxyCharm. I'm actually getting new subscription services. With this new job, woo, not bragging, but I can afford a lot more subscription services. So we're going to get back into the sex boxes. We're going to get back into, you know what I mean? We're still going to do stuff. It's just, I really want to talk about Buffy. I want to talk, it's brought me so much happiness back into my life. You don't understand. Have I spent a lot of money? Yes, lately I have spent a lot of money, but I cannot wait to do the collection video with you guys. Okay, so we're going to go in with Escort. Let's see how it comes off. Oh, wow. It's kind of like a pressed pigment. It's not coming off at all. Let's see. Oh, okay. We like this. Ooh, I like it. So we went with a purple look today, and then nothing wrong with that. I don't own no purple shirts, but that's okay. I seriously don't. I don't own not one purple shirt. I know that's horrible. Oh, except that like glittery BB one. But anyways, so that's just what I'm thinking. It's not a 100% guarantee, but we're at a 75. Like we're at 75. I really have been having fun getting back into my love for Buffy. And a lot of you guys like it. I see a lot of you guys are fans of Buffy too, which I love. Okay, we're gonna take this cool purple brush right here. We're gonna get it wet and we're gonna darken up our corner with, let's try a little bit of Full Fantasy and then we'll go in with Game Over. Here's Full Fantasy and then Game Over. So, you know, do what makes you happy. You know what I mean? Do it and Buffy really makes me happy. Like, you know what I mean? But I am excited about Jeffree Star's video today. I was laying in bed this morning and I was like, okay, everybody's like still commenting about, yeah. I don't know about that color. Okay, I have to do it on the other eye and then we're gonna fix this. Mystique. Let's fix that. Okay, much better. So, I mean, I love this palette. Is this like a palette that I would like gravitate to all the time? No, probably not. I have a lot of other palettes. You guys know I am a diehard for ColourPop. So, but I mean, it's a good palette. I mean, it's decent. It's a good palette. I recommend it. I really, really, really want the Lisa Frank one. That is like my next thing I want to get. Because again, that's the nostalgia for me. Off of Rip is the nostalgia. And then also because I heard the colors are like pigmented. So, okay, let's see here. Don't like the way that corner is looking. Let's go in real quick. Let's make this dark again with this. Well, you know what? Let's take Mama Dragon. I'm sorry, Azula. Mama Dragon's underneath. Oh, that's a pretty color for Mama Dragon. This is Azula. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what I'm going through. I just know a lot of things are happening in my life and I love filming for you guys. And I love, see, like right now, one of my subscribers, yay! Megan Gallagher, yay! She's filming a tutorial. Like, I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Oh, I keep forgetting to say this in my videos. I am so sorry. You guys know Gina, who's always in my lives and stuff, her son, he's in recovery now. Yes, he's back home from the hospital, but he has a tumor in his brain. And so we are all getting together. I've already gotten some donations from you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put the order in on Monday. So if you guys would like to donate, my PayPal will be in the description box below. I also have Cash App, and please let me know if you would like to donate to for Gina. I'm putting together makeup, skincare. That's what she wants, and her son's into science. So I found like 4 to 5 science kits and books on Amazon, and I'm just gonna put the order in and ship it straight to her, and it will be from the Sweetie Squad. So if you like to donate, the link will be in the description box below. I keep on forgetting to say that. I was like, oh shit, I forgot to say it in this video. Oh shoot, I forgot to say it in this video. So now I was able to say it. So if you guys want to donate, it will be in there. If not, she still knows you guys are family to her. Regardless, we are a family. Okay, that is everything I'm gonna do on the crease. That's it, I'm done with the crease. Let's now do this. I wanna mess with this matrix, but obviously I cannot put this on my lid. At least I don't think. I mean, that's thick. We thick, honey. I mean, I guess I could if I cut crease, but I don't feel like cutting creasing. So, I was gonna say there's not an eyebrow bone color. So let's wet this brush and get some eyebrow bone. I'm sorry this video is so long. I feel like I haven't, like, okay, we do lives and stuff. Yesterday, I couldn't even talk in my lives. I was speaking Chinese. Sorry about that. Okay, Fatal. And you know, you learn so much about being on YouTube. You know, and there's ups, there's downs to YouTube. There is, I mean, be real. You have to have thick skin to be on YouTube. You have to. Because not everybody's going to like you. You know? Not everybody. And that's okay. Everybody has what they like and what they don't like. And me, I love me some Buffy. And it's made me so happy lately. And my son, it was so funny yesterday. He was like, Mom, you've watched that video 25 times. You act like James is gonna jump through the page. Through the phone. I wish, honey. I wish, Dorian. I wish Dorian would get into Buffy, but he's like, no, 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 mom, no. Okay, that's old as dirt. Okay. Do I put this on my eyeballs? I don't know. Help! I don't have a color that I would want to put on my lid. Glitter. This itty bitty little Sigma. Wet the brush. So, comment down below if there's a subscription box you want to see. Damn, it's turning into a 20-minute video. I'm sorry. But yeah, comment down below if there is a subscription box. Oh yeah, that was not going to go on the eyes, on the lid. Look how like, ooh, it's like confetti though. Ooh. Shine bright like a diamond. Oh yeah, we confetti white. We are ready for Mardi Gras, girl. Isn't it Mardi Gras season? Soon. Like, soon. That's still pretty. I still like it, you know? It works. And remember, there's no rules in makeup. Now, mind you, I'm not going nowhere today. But that's okay. That is fine by me. It looks good. It looks good. Okay. Oh, this is kind of different. She's not pigmented. Everything was going. Oh, I didn't even do my under eye. I am so sorry, guys. I got really sidetracked in talking to you guys. I love you guys so much, though. So, I forgot to do under my lid. I mean, under my eyeballs. Should I do under my eyeballs? I don't know. Okay, so I don't recommend these. I'll be honest. This is Copycat Beauty, and you guys know I'm sponsored with them. And I mean, I liked their lip products, but these liquid eyeshadows are not the greatest. Let's be real. And y'all know I don't sugarcoat nothing. I tell you how it is. So, damn! Oh, we just messed that all up. Oh my God. Is the video over yet? I am so sorry. I did not mean to go that high up. I promise you. I did not mean to go that high up. It's like, okay, did we fix it? We fixed it the best we could. I did not mean to go that high up. So, this is my tutorial. Hopefully the next video will be better. Oh my God. Yeah, we're just gonna end this video like this because I gotta go fix this. So I will see you guys on the Jeffree Star video. Be there, don't be square, because remember, I'm announcing a giveaway. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Love y'all. Bye.